Hello everyone, I hope you're all keeping well and staying safe. Welcome to Cook with Kim's tutorial, showing you how to make your own extra hot flavored chili sauce using Scotch Bonnet chilies. So guys, a little advice when making this sauce. It's wise to have your sink and your kitchen worktop clean and empty so that it's easy and it's visible to clean your mess safely, especially if you have small children like me. I'm currently making this sauce quickly while my family are out shopping. This way I can have all the windows open to get rid of the smell. Put all the vegetables except the flavoring and spices in the blender and blend until smooth. Once blended, your chili paste should look smooth like this. Using a small pan or a frying pan that you don't regularly use, as the chili taste will take a while to come off the pan, put the pan on the cooker on low to medium fire, add the sauce and the oil and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes, stirring a few times while it's bubbling. So after 10 minutes of the sauce cooking, now add all your flavoring. Drizzle some lemon and add salt. Add this to your own taste. Leave it to cook on low fire for a further 5 minutes for the flavor to set. So here's a ginger and lemon flavored chili sauce, and the ingredient measurement I've used will make you 400 milliliter bottles, which you can keep in the fridge, and this can last for up to a couple of weeks and longer if you freeze it. Hopefully you guys should be able to make your sauce safely and finish within an hour, as it's not easy to support the smell of hot pepper for long. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment any feedback, like, share a video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you very soon on another edition of Cook with Kim. Bye!